What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today's self-care presenting a new video about coconut oil. You can make your face more beautiful and glowing by using coconut oil. In this video, I will share some ways that you can do by coconut oil. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So today's topic is coconut oil beauty hacks. Coconut oil is a holy grail product. You can get many benefits from coconut oil. First benefit, makeup remover. The number one rule of putting makeup on is remembering to take it off at night. What better way to do this with an all natural product? Dip a cotton pad into the oil and gently massage it over your face. The wonderful thing about this is that actually takes off waterproof mascara, a feat to which not many makeup removers can attest. Eyelash growth. After you have taken off your makeup for the day, rub a small amount of coconut oil onto your lashes and go to sleep. Give it a few weeks and your lashes will thank you by being more voluminous than usual. Lip exfoliator. Are you tired of having dry, cracked lips this winter? Simply take a small amount of the oil, mix it with a bit of sugar, and you have an easy, all-natural and effective lip exfoliate. Scrub in a circular motion to give way to your irresistible lips. Shine serum. In order to achieve the glossy hair you often see in Garnier commercials, all you need is a pea-sized amount of coconut oil to rub throughout the ends of your hair, keeping away from the roots. Remember, a little goes long way, so make sure not to overdo it. Moisturizer. The one thing worse than dull hair? Dry hands. You can fix this problem by simply rubbing the oil over your hands or anywhere on your body that may be dry. You can also use it as a facial moisturizer because of low light it is on the skin. This is great for those of you out there with sensitive skin. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.